Kum Shibenta Man Rakhe, Yakajingdap Kaba, Kandai Puis Nam Kajing Shakri, Joka Indian Air Force, Yalaka Jonkari, Kishipai Suiñ, Niki Indian Air Force, Mentak Si Thoding, Arko Trik Risau Arhajar Arkulai, Yala Penlong, Yakajing Pen Ipat Ba, Iki Lieng Suiñ Yapom, Ha Umiam, Ribhoi District. Ki Lieng Suiñ Bla Pen Ipat Ba, Ha Kanekasngi, Kintup, Yaka Su-30 Advanced Light Helicopter, Niki ALH, Donier, Chinook, Ki Jet Thma Rifle, Bat Nagakan Hun Joka Helicopter Sarang. Ki pilot ki lapan I ya kerukom her hasuñ ha kerukom ke bai tenat bah ke lapan pynshohbiej I pat ba kham tam ke Chinook ke bala her hajan selaum bat ke jing pen ina ki helikopter sarang ka Chinook ke de ke helikopter ke ba khlan tam ke bakit ki tiar ya pom kup kitup iman ki kali ya pom nalor kiwi bat kadai ke bala penmi da ke USA. Let's say kene ke jing pen her ki jet thma kadai kesin ke Bandung Kong ha kene ke jela Meghalaya.
Motivating Shillong Northeast to come and join Indian Armed Forces, Defence Forces. That is our basic aim. That's why we, and to also make public aware about the might of the Indian Air Force. So that it was all about.
Could you tell a little bit the air show? The first formation was 3 Su-30s in the Vic formation, followed by the 3 ALH Mark III helicopters, which are indigenously built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, showcasing another Hindustan Aeronautics Limited aircraft, which is indigenous aircraft, that is the Dornier aircraft, and followed by we had the Chinook, the only heavy lift aircraft that is available, helicopter available with the Indian Air Force, and the Rafales, and then we handed over to the Sarangs for their display.
Which is the Sarangs are the also they fly ALH, and which is also our indigenously built aircraft. And you all will be proud to know that our team, the Sarang helicopter display team, is the only 5 helicopter military display team in this entire world.
Can you just brief us on the
Sarang formation was led by our commanding officer, Group Captain Santosh Kumar Mishra. With him flying was squadron leader Akash. He's the youngest pilot of our team. In number 2, it was our flight commander, Wing Commander Sridhar. With him flying was Wing Commander Janpriya. Number 3 was being flown by Wing Commander Chandan Patnaik. With him flying was Squadron Leader Avinash. Number 4 was being flown by Squadron Leader Karan Prabhakar. With him flying was Wing Commander Thakur Vikas Raj Singh. So these are all the pilots which I stated who were flying in the cockpit in all these 4 aircrafts. Yeah.
Madam, one more thing, madam. This we were expecting this.
There were 3 aircrafts, 3 Rafales, and they were supposed to fly in the WIC formation. So that's what they
As
carried
per
out
the
today,
plan.
as per the plan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Just 5 days ago, and well, we were worried about weather, and like you saw in the morning where it was there was fog and then it was clouding, but then cleared up. And I hope that you and the crowd had actually enough thrills for at least for the day, if not for more. Okay? How was that otherwise?
So are there plans to host?
It's a little difficult because the team comes here from way far down south in Sulur. Sulur is close to Coimbatore. And it takes time to get them across, and they do shows all across the country, depending upon what is the kind of event and in various locations. So no, this was part of their calendar, and so we got them here. But we'll now be working out into a calendar for the next year, and let's see. But maybe now that we've done one in Shillong, maybe we'll do it at a second location somewhere else in proximity, possibly. But yes, we of course will do some.
Sir, how is this
You can see the hills around you. There are 3 challenges actually. One, of course, is the weather, which you saw, and it tends to be temperamental. The name of the state is Meghalaya, so Megh to hote hi hai.
right?
But alongside with that, the elevation also makes it a little difficult on the performance of these aircraft. So they have to modify their profile suitably, and then they have to operate in a somewhat tight zone. So that adds to the changes that they have to make to their profiles to make. But you saw them. It didn't look like they had any challenges, did they? They enjoyed it also.
Sir, the Rafale has come for the first time.